Seema Kohli received a philosophy degree with honours from Miranda House and a diploma in applied arts from South Delhi Polytechnic for women. In 2019, she was the subject of a major solo exhibition at the Museum of Secret Art in Brussels. Seema has previously exhibited in Venice, Melbourne, London, New York, Dubai, Singapore and several cities in India. Her work is also featured in the collections of the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, Kochi Museum of Arts, National Gallery of Modern Art in Bangalore and Rubin Museum of Art in New York. Seema Kohli is a multidisciplinary contemporary Indian artist who explores themes of femininity, beauty and spirituality. One of the most celebrated artists in India today, her creative expression spans original paintings, murals, installations, ceramics, prints, performances and sculptures. Each medium is a unique articulation of her style, and over time she has brought a synergy of her sensibilities to her art.